What's up, guys? Resident Dog with you. Something a little different today. We're at Eastwood Golf Course in Fort Myers. No fishing, but I'm testing out a new camera, the Akaso Brave. See how it compares with the one I've been using, the Akaso EK7000 Pro. So we'll have a little fun and see which camera works better. Hang tight.
It's been a long road. 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 We got the facts, get the gun by blowing in the back of the house. It is one way in and one way out. I'm a dirt road rider with a spike and slider. Me and my boys fight a full of all nighter with the big loud speakers in the back of the truck. Get loud, get drunk to the sun. Me and my boys get drunk till the sun comes up.
I think I'll take that shot. So that was a quick video cutting back and forth between the EK7000 Pro and the Brave, just to kind of show you the difference. I noticed the Brave shots were a little darker than the other one. You can play the exposure setting on both of them, and they're both set at 0. So I'm sure you can change with that and make them both match, but the Brave was rattling around a little bit more. I had a taller mount on that, so there was some more play. So I'm not quite sure about the image stabilization, which one's better, which one's worse, but I think the mount for the Brave played more of a role than the EK7000. But now I'll look at the actual cameras themselves, tell you what I like and what I don't like about each one. So we'll start with the EK7000 Pro. This is the one I've filmed all my videos leading up to this on. One thing I do really like about it is the touch screen on the back. It's just very simple. Touch, scroll through your menus to get to everything. Swap over from videos to bursts to all your different video settings. It's very, to me, it was very user friendly, very easy to swap back and forth between functions on it. Very easy to get to the menus. Just simple push button and off to the menus you go to do whatever you needed to do with it. So I really like the touchscreen on the back of the EK7000 Pro. The only problem I've had with the touchscreen is when you're sliding it in and out of a mount, you may tend to hit the screen and swap it from photo to video, which I have done before. I've tried to film a video and I end up getting just a picture. So the one downside of the touchscreen is if you're not careful putting it in and out of a a chest mount or a head mount, then you can switch it from video to photo mode. But this camera's done really good for me. I like it. The only reason I bought the Akaso Brave was because the one I have been using is now at the bottom of Pine Island Sound. So I needed a replacement camera, and the Brave was actually cheaper on Amazon than buying another EK7000 Pro. So that's the EK7000. Take a look at the Brave. Power's on the same. LCD, there's no touchscreen on the back. It's the one downfall with the Brave, I think. It does have an LCD display up front, which tells you how far you are along in your videos when you're recording. Same button, same features, but with this one, to get to the menu, instead of just pressing the little wrench in the bottom corner, going straight into the menu, you have to click the power button up front. It's in video mode now. You click it once, goes to photo mode. Click it again to view all the video files you have in there. Click it again to get into your menu. And then you use the side controls here, up and down, to scroll through your menu and to change whatever you want to change in the menu. To get back to your video mode, you got to push it one more time. Goes back to your video mode. A little more time-consuming, cumbersome, if you will, to get in to change the settings. The 7000 Pro is a little quicker and easier. I do like the touchscreen. If this had a touchscreen on the back, like the 7000 Pro, hands down, this would be the camera I would go to 100%. But another thing I did notice, there is a light on the top, just like the EK7000 Pro. There's a light above your OK or Action button there. The EK7000 Pro, when it's on, this is solid red, and when you're recording, this is flashing red. So if it's sitting on something facing you, I can see that it's recording because that light's flashing. The only way you can see the Brave is recording is by watching the counter count up. This light up here doesn't light. Don't know if it's a setting in there I need to go in and change. I looked for it, I didn't see it. So overall, it's a good camera. It's got a lot more settings and it's got a lot more features than the Brave. It's got a motion activated. Let's see here. Does loop recording, same thing, gyroscope, change your angle. Time-lapse recording, same thing as EK7000. The motion detection, that's where you can set it, and once it notices motion, it will start recording. And it will keep recording until you manually stop it. Set it whether you want to record audio or not, date and temp, angle, diving mode. It does have the special effects. So you can do a night scene, portrait, landscape lighting, self-timer. All this is kind of the same stuff as the white balance is new over the EK7000 Pro. Color, you do black and white or not. Set your exposure value, anti-shake, Wi-Fi, date and time. So I mean, really the only thing it has over the EK7000 Pro as far as features go are going to be your voice prompts. You can tell it to start recording verbally. Your white balance and special effects and motion detection. So you're getting those additional features and the LCD screen up front in place of the touchscreen on the back. The camera's about the same price, and you can judge the quality of the video yourselves from my golf day.